Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. Today we are making Kancha Aam'er Mishti Chatni or raw mango chutney. As my sister and I stepped into our lush green backyard, the sight of the raw mangoes hanging from the trees filled us with excitement. We plucked the fresh roots and headed to the kitchen to ask our mother to make a delectable raw mango chutney. This chutney is quite commonly made in the Bengali households during the summer season. As you can see, the ingredients are also quite simple. All you need is raw mangoes, panchforon, mustard oil, dry red chilli, turmeric powder, salt, red chilli powder, water and sugar or jaggery. Thank you for watching. You can find the full recipe in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. See you in the next one.